Hello friend, welcome back to another episode. I hope you all are doing great. So, do you want to know how I draw outline of this drawing using just a scale? So keep watching video till the end and you will find out how to draw accurate outlines of your drawings. So this is the reference what I want to draw. So first of all I will divide this drawing into 4 parts using one vertical line and one horizontal line. The horizontal line should pass through eyes, which is very important. Now in vertical distance I will measure all important points like the distance of eyes, nose, lips and chin. Same in horizontal distance I will measure the size of eyes, distance between eyes and the size of other eye, size of nose and the lips, and I will note down all these distances and I will draw a rough diagram of this. Now I am drawing the vertical line which is as the same size of the reference image. This will also be the center line of my drawing. Now I will locate a point where eye line will pass. From this point I will draw a horizontal line. Now in this vertical line I will denote all the points for nose, lips and chin, etc. And similarly in horizontal line I will denote the points for eyes. I will also locate the position of jaws. These points will really helpful for face structure. So now I will carefully draw all the outlines with the help of these points. This method is really helpful because in this method we are not just tracing the outline, we are learning it. So after practicing, you can draw the outlines even without using these lines.